In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Shopify's settings to customize your packing slips. This is a crucial part of managing your store's shipping process, as a well-designed packing slip can enhance your brand's professionalism and help avoid shipping mishaps. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to go to the homepage of your Shopify store. Once you're logged in, you should see your dashboard, which is the control center for all your store's operations. This is where you manage products, track orders, and much more. For today, our focus is on customizing the shipping documentation. Next, find and click on Settings on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is your gateway to adjusting all manner of store features and preferences. Think of this as the configuration hub, where you can make your store's operations just right for your business model. Once you're in the settings, you'll want to navigate to Shipping and Delivery. This section is where you set up everything related to getting your products from your store to your customers. You can customize shipping zones, rates, and importantly for us today, documents related to shipping. Now, within the Shipping and Delivery section, you'll see an option labeled Packing Slips. Click on this to proceed. Packing slips are documents you include in your shipped orders that list the items inside the package. They are essential for both customer clarity and internal record keeping. After selecting Packing Slips, you'll find an option to click on Packing Slip Template. Your Packing Slip Template is the framework that builder programs like Shopify use to auto-generate documents as orders are processed. This is where you can adjust the content to reflect your brand, such as adding a logo, changing the layout, or including specific instructions or thank you notes to your customers. Once you have accessed the template, you'll see a Preview Template button. It's a handy feature that allows you to see how your changes will appear without having to fulfill an actual order. Click this whenever you make adjustments to verify everything looks and functions as intended. To recap, customizing your packing slip template helps maintain a professional image and ensures customers receive clear, organized information about their shipments. With these straightforward steps, you can enhance the customer experience and make your store more efficient in handling deliveries. Thanks for following along and happy customizing on Shopify!